Very good morning to one and all present here. I'm Ramya Vishwanathan from India. Today I'm going to present a topic of estimation of Indole Acetic acid in Panchakavya that is responsible for the increase in mitotic index in Allium cepa. Author of the paper, Dr. V. Ramya and Dr. S. Karpagam. Panchakavya means the blend of the 5 products obtained from cow dung, urine, milk, curd, ghee. These are all called Panchakavya. Panchakavya is a Sanskrit word singly called Gavya and collectively termed as used in Panchakavya. Panchakavya had got reverend script of Vedas and divine script of Indian wisdom. Vriksha Ayurveda means Vriksha means plants, Ayurveda means a healthy systems. Cow is described as a Kamadhenu, one which fulfill all the wishes since the Vedic time and India's civilization. Panchakavya is an important component of the many ritual and puja among Hindus. Introduction. Agriculture is means of livelihood for millions of people in India with crops chiefly dependent on rainfall and fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides used after the Green Revolution lead to the toxicity of the soil and environment. India is the third largest producer and consumer of chemical fertilizer in the world. Heavy use of the chemicals in agriculture has weakened the ecological balance. In addition, it leads to the degradation of the soil, pollution of the water resources and quality of the food. Organic farming is a promising remedy to cure the ill effect of chemical agriculture practice. Properties of Gavya. Cow dung had been used by Kautilya, Varahamitra, Surapala, Samhishwara, Devan in ancient history. It contained undigested fiber, epithelial cells, pigments and salts, rich in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and also rich in bacteria, fungi, and other microbial organisms. Cow urine gomutra was rich in urea and acted both as a nutrient as well as hormone. Cow urine had 91% water and 9% solid matter, minerals 1.4%. Urine also contained uric acid and uric acid in large quantity along with other minerals matter, sodium chloride, sulfate, calcium, and magnesium, potassium hyporate. Milk contained protein, fat, carbohydrates, amino acids, calcium, hydrogen, lactic acid, also lactobacillus bacterium. Many microorganisms could ferment either 5 or 6 carbon sugars, but the lactobacillus bacterium could ferment both. Cow ghee had been used in ancient and medieval time for managing a seedling health. The ghee contained vitamin A, B, calcium. It is rich in glycosides which protected wound from infections. Cow curd is rich in microbes, lactobacillus, that is responsible for the fermentation. Materials and method. This table shows the ingredients for the preparation of the Panchakavya. First half the requirements and second half gram, kilogram per liters. Mix ingredients of the dung and ghee thoroughly both in morning and evening hour. Keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, mix urine and water. Keep it for 15 days. With regular mixing both at morning and evening hour for 15 minutes. After 15 days, the rest of the ingredients it will be added. After 30 days, Panchakavya it will be ready to be used on field crops. Care should be taken. Do not mix up buffalo products because the local breeds of cow is said it is a potential of exotic breeds. Design of the experiment. First one is Allium cepa root tip. Second one is a control. Water is taken as a control. Panchakavya, the different concentration used 50%, 25%, 10% and 1%. Estimation of the Indole Acetic acid in Panchakavya. Coming to results, the effect of Panchakavya and growth of onion roots. The growth of onion root was observed in 3 days, 5 days and 7 days respectively. That at different concentration of the 50%, 25% and 10% and 1%. The number of root of initiated and the length of the root were measured. The onion bulbs developed more number of roots in 1% concentration which was 38 after 3 days of the treatment. The root length was 3.2 centimeter and the shoot length was 3.5 centimeter of treatments which was higher when compared to control other concentration of the 50%, 25% and 10%. The second table shows the effect of Panchakavya on the growth of the onion roots in 5 days. The 1% concentration of the Panchakavya produced the more number of onion roots which was 43 after 5 days of treatments. The root length was 4.2 centimeter. The shoot length was a 5 centimeter of the treatment. 1% concentration of the Panchakavya treated shows higher when compared to control as well as other different concentrations. The third table shows the effect of Panchakavya on the growth of the onion roots in 7 days. The 1% concentration of the Panchakavya showed more number of onion roots, which was the 48 after 7 days of treatment. The root length was 7.5 centimeter and the shoot length was 7 centimeter. Of the 1% concentration of the Panchakavya treatment, which was higher when compared to control and other concentrations. This photograph shows the effect of Panchakavya on the growth of the onion roots 3 days, first half, and second half shows the effect of Panchakavya on the onion growth of roots in 7 days. The effect of Panchakavya on the cell division and mitotic index. That 1% concentration of the Panchakavya, the number of cells in the microscopical field was 250 cells, of which 48 of them was in a metaphase stage, whereas in control it was lesser, which shows 22 cells in metaphase stage out of the 250 cells in microscopical field. The 1% concentration of the Panchakavya increased the number of the onion roots and when compared to with control as well as the different concentration of the Panchakavya. Although the Panchakavya treatment shows that increase the root initiation and mitotic index enhance the efficiency, which is evident from the tables and photographed. No chromosomal aberrations noted if any of the treatments at all the concentrations. This photograph shows the effect of the Panchakavya on the cell division and mitotic index. The plant growth regulator IA was estimated in Panchakavya, which was 302.0 mg per ml. Coming to conclusion, the greatest challenge of the nation in the coming years to providing the safe food for the growing population in the country without degrading the environment. Organic farming avoid the large-scale usage of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators and livestock feed additives and release on green manures, crop rotation, crop residues, animal manures, fertilizer, biopesticides. The different kind of cow-based liquid organic manures such as Panchakavya, Sanchipani, Gunapanjala, Amritpani are also advantageous. Panchakavya have a wide application, have a potential for a sustainable agriculture, production of non-conventional energy for maintaining and the soil fertility and microbial diversity of the ecosystem. The present study of Panchakavya shows increase in the rooting and mitotic index, the plant hormones secreted by microbes promoting growth rate. The plant growth substance present in Panchakavya help to improve and ultimately improve the productivity of the crops. So Panchakavya is an organic growth promoter. It acts both an organic fertilizer and pesticides. It's effective in any crop. Application of the Panchakavya preparation was easy and is cost effective and economically profitable. It is retain the soil fertility and reduce the insect invasion and fungal attack on the crops. The results of present study clearly shows that the Panchakavya is an organic fertilizer with growth promoting capacity and act as a pesticide and is effective in any crop. Other source of the organic cosmetic products in Panchakavya like tooth powder, soap, shampoo, body lotion, these are available in the market. These are the references. About the author, Dr. Ramya Vishwanathan, she did her BSc and COP from Bharathiman's College, B.Ed from Western College of Education, post-graduation, Master of Philosophy and Doctorate from Queen Mary's College, Autonomous Chennai, affiliated to the University of Madras. She secured the first rank in MPhil in Botany. She published 5 papers in international journals and presented 14 papers in various national and international conferences from different colleges. She won the first prize in research paper presentation in the national conference from Justice Bashir Ahmad Syed College, Chennai, and she won the third prize in research paper presentation of the national seminar from National College in Chennai, India. About the author, the guide, my beloved guide and my supervisor, Dr. S. Karpagam, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Botany, Queen Mary's College, Autonomous Chennai. She has a 22 years of teaching and 26 years of research experience. She has published in 43 research papers, guided 16 MPhil and 15 PhD candidates in India. I thank my lovable parents. I would like to thank God for lovable parents, I am Vishwanathan Saraswati, for giving birth to me at the first place and encouragement, who have been a pillar of strength, great source of the motivation, supporting me spiritually throughout my life. God Almighty for His guidance, mercy, love and for His wonderful opportunity and successful completion of this work. Without His blessing, there will be no fulfillment of my work. Thank you all. And before that, if any queries, clarification regarding this paper, good contact through the email, and I regarded and any doubt my article kindly should be visited. And be safe, be healthy, make a wealthy in your life. Thank you all.